Personalization is essential for gameful systems. Past research showed that the Hexad user types model is particularly suitable for personalizing user experiences. It consists of 6 user types that differ in the degree to which they are driven by their needs for autonomy, relatedness, competence, and purpose. The validated Hexad user types questionnaire is reasonable for scientific purposes. However, it is less suitable in practice for personalizing gameful applications because filling out a questionnaire potentially affects the gameful experience and immersion within an interactive system negatively. To counter this, we investigate ways to assess Hexad user types in a gameful way. We implemented 2 gameful applications, Cloud Clicker and Snowball Shooter, which have been used in a user study with 147 participants. In Cloud Clicker, participants were asked to select 1 out of 2 statements, which is more important to them, and received gameful feedback when making their choice. In Snowball Shooter, participants were confronted with several gamification elements, such as points, achievements, a leaderboard, a virtual character, and unlockables, and could decide which gamification elements they'd like to interact with. We found that Cloud Clicker can be used to assess Hexad user types in a gameful way in applications where an order of user types is sufficient. We also found that participants, indeed, mostly interacted with gamification elements that correspond to their user type in Snowball Shooter. Ultimately, our results also show that both gameful applications are more enjoyable and immersive than completing the Hexad questionnaire. Taking these findings together, we contribute a gameful way of assessing Hexad user types, which is advantageous in terms of enjoyment and immersion, as well as show that interaction behavior in gameful applications actually corresponds to a user's Hexad type.